Hi guys, how are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you're watching this video. So guys, I would like to welcome you back to my channel. For those who are tuning in for the first time, huku ni nyumbani, karibuni sana sana. So guys, today is another episode of cooking, and before I tell you what we're going to be cooking, kindly hit that subscribe button so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. Yes, yeah. So guys, as I was saying, today it's another episode of cooking, and we are going to be cooking githeri. So I'm going to be showing you a recipe of how I cook githeri, and I actually don't know githeri, if githeri has an English name. If iko nayo, kindly comment down below and tell others, because me najua ni githeri. Yes. So guys, I'm going to be showing you my recipes of how I cook my special githeri. Actually it's special. Mi usikia watu wakisema ukieka waru ndani ya githeri na kwa special githeri, ama uweke nduma, ngwashe, hizo vitu zote. Yes, so today I'm going to be putting potatoes. Yes, potatoes into the githeri. Yeah, I know mumeelewa. Yes, so guys, stay tuned till the end. We eat with you my githeri. So come guys, come. Okay, so guys, first I'm going to boil this viazi. Nilikuwa nishachonga and all that. So I'm going to boil this viazi. Oh, and this is the githeri nilikuwa nimechemsha earlier on, and then I freezed it. So mtu ukichemsha food and then iko excess and then you want to preserve it for another day, you can do this. Actually, this is a very good idea of storing food. So yes, I already boiled the githeri. Actually, githeri is a mixture of beans and maize. Yeah. So I'm going to boil this first, and then the camera. Yeah. So I'm going to boil this first, and then we are going to karanga it later. So yes, this is what we are going to be doing. Yeah, don't mind, the water is clean. That is my waru. So I'm going to pour it on. Yes, so I'll leave it until it's cooked, and then I'll show you what next. So guys, these are my ingredients that I'm going to be using. So over here is garlic, red onions, tomatoes, paprika. Actually, I don't have green paprika or the yellow one, so since this one is available, I'm going to be using that. But you can use any of the paprika that you have, or you can mix them all. Then I'm going to go in with the Royco, and also, what is this? Tomato paste and salt, and yes, pepper or pepper, whichever. So guys, at this point we want to see if our viazi is ready. Viazi, potatoes, waru, whichever way you call them. So here I'm going to show you how. See. Okay. Yes. Ooh. Okay, as you can see, it's ready, and you're not supposed to leave the viazi to overcook, the potatoes to overcook. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this hey, sufuria over here. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to switch like that. it. So yes guys, allow me to enjoy this food. Okay, so guys, that was it about me cooking githeri. So thank you guys for tuning in into today's video. And if you like the recipe, kindly click on the like button. Make sure you comment if there's anything you think I missed out, and what else. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that every time I upload a video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. So guys, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate a lot. And for those who are just tuning in now, I'm Sheila Nyolei, and thank you so much.